Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another Barbie doll review. Last week we reviewed the beautiful blue-haired, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous, scientist doll. But today we have someone different. It is from the Barbie lineup. I don't know why he has green lint on his head. We have Ken. This Ken has hair, makes him different. It is some kind of hair. It's hard, it's matted in places, and this is exactly how he came all the way back in 2010. His hair has not changed. And that's what's written on his back. Then we have this guy. This Ken is from Life in the Dream House era. His back says that he is from 2013. And then with him, we have this Ken. Now, this Ken is actually Ryan. He was marketed as Ryan from Life in the Dream House. This doll looks nothing like Ryan. Ryan had black or very dark brown hair, and it was long. This is hard plastic, and if you look closely, it's literally just the reverse mold of Ken's hair. Ken swishes this way, his swishes this way. It is the same hair. Mattel, this was a fail on the Ken doll. And I want to show you just the quick changes just between 2010 and 2013. Look at their hands. This Ken and Ryan, they're literally the same mold. Do you notice that their fingers are open and it's on both hands? Our 2010 Ken has straight fingers. There's no gaps. Their arms only go up and down, so they don't open to the side, whereas this Ken's does. So he can open wide or up and down. This Ken is really restricted in the movement. I use him in most of our videos because I like Kens with hair. I like my dolls to have hair. I like Barbie with hair. Again, look at that beautiful blue hair. I love the two tones of brown in my brunette Barbie with the blonde. I love dolls with hair. But as we are discussing Kens today, I'm going to move these guys just over here. I have a doll I found at the dollar store. Look at this Ken. This is an authentic Barbie product. I don't know how old it is. We will check on his back to see. But there are a whole line, and these remind me of the Fashionistas. And he is right here, doll number 193. These Kens don't all have hair. This one has hard plastic hair. He has moving hair. I don't know about these ones, but look at all the different Barbies. Aren't they cute? I love Barbies. I do. And if you'll notice him, I'm just going to move these guys so we can actually get a close-up until we compare. Look at the packaging he's in. It's plastic, like it's a bag. It's not cardboard like you would normally find, which is kind of interesting, but it is Mattel. It is Barbie. I don't know. Made in Indonesia. I mean, for Mattel Canada, so it is authentic. It's just weird packaging. This guy looks more like Ryan than the doll that Mattel marketed as Ryan. I'm going to get them out of the package. I also like how the neck mold has changed. Now, it had one of these little taggy things. I cut that open. We all know I can't open packages. So there he is, and it does, oh, look at that, I didn't even see that. It does show that he is doll number 193. Now, what would you do? Oh, he's got shoes. What do you do? Is this, oh, no. Oh, that's, ooh. This is a sticker, look. You could stick that on a window somewhere. Okay, that is definitely a keep for crafting. I really want that sticker. I'm happy with the package. I mean, I guess, let me just try shoving him. You could just use this to store your dolls, I guess, right? Like, I mean, okay. Can't get his arms in. Okay. I mean, yeah, okay. You can use this to store your dolls. He fits. Ken fits. You can use this to store your dolls. I don't know, or maybe clothes or whatever you want. I'm just going to set that there. Let's get this Ken out of the package. So here is his packaging. And if you notice, this is the same colors as the other stuff that we've been getting at the dollar store. So I don't know if this was just like a bad line or a line that didn't do well. Overstock. Oh, wait, there you go. 2021 Mattel. So he is quite a bit newer than our 2013 or our 2010. They both have hair. So I want to compare the hair. But that's a really cute cutout of him with his shirt. Let's get him out. And he comes with shoes. It looks to me like Ken's feet got bigger. Okay, he has an elastic around his waist. Ha! There we go. There is Ken. Okay. Hello, modern Ken. Let's do side by side. He looks shorter. Oh, yeah, he's a lot shorter. Look at them side by side. Ken has shrunk in height. Sorry. Let's line them up. Oh, this one's losing his pants. Goodness gracious. Foot to foot and shoulder to shoulder. This Ken is taller. Let me put them this way so you can see. Here is, oh, that is not good hair. And we line them up foot to foot. Okay. His hands are lower. His shoulders only come to about here. This Ken is much shorter. If you have Ken clothes, they might not fit. That might be an issue. But he definitely looks a lot more Ryan-esque. What does his back say? His back says 2012? 2017. So this is a body mold they've been using since 2017. So his arms go out to the sides, which is good. He feels... What is that? I don't know. I don't know how to describe that. He's hard. Like his plastic is hard. Right? I don't know why their pants never want to stay on. You know what? Look at the arm shape. Look at that. His arms are both straight. His arm has a bend. I'm going to take the jacket off of this Ken. And his arms, well, they only go up and down, but they are both straight. This Ken has a bend. We're back to a no bending arm. That's interesting. Let's see their feet. Are their feet the same size? Because this guy comes with shoes. And I forgot to mention, this Ken was only $5. These are some interesting shoes. Do you notice they don't have the branding anymore? I didn't bring a pair of shoes. I brought one Ken shoe. Doesn't have the branding either. Okay. These are newer shoes. These shoes came from the dollar store. I want to try these on. Let's try the new shoe on the old Ken. Okay, they fit. Are they big? I don't know. Let's try a traditional Ken shoe on this guy. Okay, all right. That looks a little... Okay, let's put one in one. All right, we've got to do one in one. I just need to. Okay. Are his legs skinnier? His legs feel skinnier. I just want to, oh my gosh. His plastic feels, oh, okay. Okay. Hold on. We got something to look at now. This is different. Okay. Ken dolls have built-in underwear. He does too. Actually, the quality of the clothes is pretty good. For $5, it might be worth it for the outfit. His legs are definitely skinnier, and I'm going to take the shirt off. It has the hole in the back of the hood for Barbie, so she could wear this too. Here we are, just taking Ken's clothes off. Look at the difference. Not so much in the skin tone, because Ken's come in all different skin tones, okay? But look at the legs. This Ken has very muscular legs. This one does not. This Ken has like a little bit of a six-pack. This one does not. It's almost like this Ken is supposed to be younger, but look at the backs of them. This one just says 2013 Mattel, made in China. These ones, all the newer ones, have this little silver writing. And what I really want to show you is if you look at his armpit, you can see the plastic ball joint. When you look at this one, you can't really see it. I mean, it's there, but you'd have to really pull his arm. That is different. And on the back of the neck, it says 2012 Mattel. Oh, do you hear that? Oh God, that's the crunchiness. Oh, I'm so sorry, Ken. This one says 2021. I like that they did the hairstyle. I don't like... Why is it Kens with hair need to be so crunchy, and there are no tags on the clothing. I don't know. I'm disappointed because I wanted Ken with hair. Let's move him this way. I wanted a Ken with hair. How easy is it to put his clothes back on? I don't know. Did you know, this is actually quite hard, little bit of Barbie trivia, that Ken is actually a year younger than Barbie? She was created in 1959 and he was created in 1960. So he is a year younger. I mean, this Ken has like that nice he doesn't have the built-in underwear. The older ones did not. He has that nice little six-pack too and the muscular arms. Is this Ken meant to be younger? Is that what this is? Is that why he's shorter? Or is this part when they changed to make all different body shapes on Barbie? I like that they gave him a better haircut than, I think this is supposed to be like fringe. Oh my gosh. Bad hair. Maybe we'll start using this Ken in some videos. What do you think? Like, it's very detailed here where it looks like there's hair. Like, they did really great there. It's just that if this hair starts moving, look at that bad quality cut. Do you see that? Like, God. I don't know. I don't know, all. What do you think? Is he worth $5? Is he? I mean, he doesn't exactly look at the picture. I mean, maybe he is. I don't know. Look at that on the package. Your unique talents make you special. Oh, Ken, your unique talents make you special. Should we look for more of these? I'm hoping the dollar store comes up with more of these. I like this one with the purple hair. I don't know. For $5, I think it's worth it to get a Ken from the dollar store. I can't get over how much, let me just move him this way, how much shorter he is lining up their feet. Look at how much shorter he is. It doesn't seem like much, but that's an entire finger. That means pants like these ones are going to be even bigger on him. Like, they're not going to fit. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is he worth it? I'll say yes. Thank you so much for watching.